Welcome to Everyday Cookbook. Today we're cooking a pork schnitzel that is absolutely amazing. It's paired with a jicama and green apple remoulade that is finger licking good. Let's get started. The first thing we'll need is our pork. So let's put our pork into a bag and pound it with a rolling pin. Just to give an idea, here is the comparison. Once it's pounded, we're going to trim that excess fat from the edge until it looks more or less like this, no fat at all. Once it's ready, season both sides with salt and pepper and let's start preparing the breading. In the first bowl, we'll add seasoned flour and mix it well, just like this. In the second bowl, we'll put one egg, lightly beaten, just like that. And in the third bowl, we'll add fresh breadcrumbs. You can make this by putting bread in the blender. We'll add a tablespoon of paprika and of dried dill and mix it up. Now, first the flour on both sides. We use this for any breading. Then into the egg, also on both sides. And finally, we coat in our fresh bread. In the end, the two pieces of pork should look more or less like this. Heat the oil to 350 and fry for 5 minutes. After that, let them rest for another 5 minutes. On the side, let's make our remoulade. We'll grate the jicama and green apple. Then we're going to add mayonnaise, mustard seeds, sour cream, finely chopped Italian parsley, and a splash of lemon juice, and season with salt and pepper. Mix it all together well, and once everything incorporated, our remoulade is ready. So to plate, first the remoulade, just like this, then our green salad, and we crown it with our pork schnitzel. If you've made it this far, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, because only with your support will we be able to keep making more recipes. See you next time.